Okay, so we're down with Canoe Trail at the Adventure Village at the 40th Bedford Rivers Festival, and I'm with Ash, the big boss of Canoe Trail. I have to say big boss. Ash, do you want to sort of give us a little guide to what you're doing at this particular Adventure Village?
Yes, so the Adventure Village has been set up by the local council and ourselves in partnership, and we've got lots of things that we're doing. So the low ropes course, we're doing some bushcraft, so people are getting to learn how to start fires with fire steels, that kind of thing. We've got animal encounters, so people are getting to, you know, see creepy crawlies and snakes and get to handle them, stick insects. We've also got some of our other local partners here, so we've got Shuttleworth College, Forest of Marston Vale, and some of our kids' charities, Fun for Young People, that we work with quite a lot.
That's fantastic. And these activities are sort of things that people can expect to find when they come and visit Canoe Trail?
Yeah, the bushcraft is really popular. We have our own woodland campsite called Matchstick Wood in Willington, and we've had more and more family groups as well as schools and youth organisations using it. They're just rewilding the kids, which is perfect. That's what we're here for.
So Ash, if somebody comes down to Matchstick Wood to enjoy your encounters,
Yeah.
What sort of age group can you cater for?
So we start on our canoe trips and our bushcraft in the woodland from about 5. So there's no upper age limit. The oldest person we've had is in their 90s doing bushcraft with us in the woodland. So yeah, it's ideal for any age.
And do you combine the bushcraft with canoeing? Is that something you can do?
We do. That's becoming increasingly popular. So people can paddle down into our woodland and they have to go up a little brook to find it, and then we meet them in there and we do bushcraft sessions. And we also do a lot of school groups and birthday parties as well. So it's becoming really popular.